To activate a new installation of Modern Suite for RMH, go ahead and open the program and sign in. At the top, you'll see that you're currently using the trial version of MS. Go ahead and follow this link to be taken to the license page and enter in the provided email and password. Then select License. You'll receive confirmation that your license is now active. To update a renewed license in Modern Suite, launch the program and sign in. Open up your menu and go to the Administration panel. Select the menu again and go to Licensing. Enter in the email and password. Currently, you can see this is licensed through October 30th, 2021. But once we update the license, you can see the license is current through November 30th, 2022. If on a new installation of Modern Suite, you sign in and do not see the link to activate the product, open the menu and verify whether or not there's an administration option. Here we can see there is no option to access the administration panel. To provide access, we'll sign out of Modern Suite and launch RMH Store Manager. Go down to Setup, People and Security, and Users, and select the users you would like to have the administration access. Go over to the Manager role, and to provide administrator access in Modern Suite, set this role to full access. Save and close. And then we'll go back to Modern Suite and sign in with that same user. Now you can see you're getting the option to follow the link to license the copy, and the administration panel is available. For more walkthroughs and troubleshooting tips from Modern Suite or other New West Technologies software, check out the New West Technologies YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates on all our platforms. And remember, the latest builds of all our software with the accompanying user guide are available at newwesttech.com/downloads.